Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to renew your Canadian passport in Canada. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to gather all the necessary documents. This includes your current Canadian passport, proof of Canadian citizenship, and a recent passport photo. Make sure your photo meets the specific requirements outlined by Passport Canada. Next, head to the official Passport Canada website and fill out the passport renewal application form. The form will ask for personal details like your address and passport information. You can either have the form delivered to your home or fill it out online. Once the form is complete, you'll need to pay the renewal fee. This can be done online or in person at a designated service center, whichever is more convenient for you. After completing the form and payment, submit your application along with the required documents. You can either mail it in or drop it off in person at a passport office. Remember, processing times may vary, so be sure to check the official website for the latest updates on how long it will take. And that's how you renew your Canadian passport in Canada. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.